Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to speech to your video in CapCut Mobile. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, if you want to add text to speech, we have to add text to our video. So we can tap on the text option and tap on add text. And for example, I'm going to add this text. Hello guys, how are you? Okay, and after that, we can tap on the check mark button. And if you want to add text to speech, you can tap on the text to speech option right here. And you're going to select the voice you would like to apply to your text to speech. And there are a lot of categories that you can use. And for example, I'm going to select female. Okay, and I'm going to try it one by one like this.
Hello guys, how are you? Hello
Okay,
guys,
and I'm
how are
gonna go with
you?
this one. We can tap on the voice that we want to apply to our text to speech, and after that we can tap on the check mark button. Okay, and this is the result guys. I'm going to play the video.
Hello guys, how are you?
Alright guys, and that's how we can apply text to speech to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.